Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training, and today I have a standing core workout for you. This is gonna be fast and furious, so grab some water, grab a friend, find a flat surface, and let's have some fun. Without further ado, let's get started with our first exercise. We have the good old trusty reverse lunge with a twist. Feet shoulder width apart. Here we go, we're gonna put 30 seconds on the clock. Let me find my timer. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're just stepping back into a lunge. As we step back and go down, we are twisting over to the side, coming back up. Same thing, go to the reverse side, twist over and up. Don't feel like you have to go all the way down to the ground or get super far. The goal is we just wanna make sure we're balancing. We're at least getting 90. It could even be something like this, something here. But the most important part is the twist and making sure our spine, everything is aligned up here. Boom, we're working on our balance, our legs, our core, flexibility, mobility, all of it. But most importantly, our core. 3, 2, 1, and up. Great job, shake out your legs. Next, we have some high knees, but we're gonna focus on putting our arms overhead. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So let's first focus on getting those knees up. Try to get it to parallel to your hip. My back is flat, my core is tight, suck your belly button to your spine. And then now we're gonna put our arms directly overhead, just past your ears. This focuses you or allows you to open up rib cage, the side. You're really gonna feel it all up in here. Get a nice steady tempo. Focus on driving that knee up. 3, 2, 1. And down, great job. Shake out your arms. Next, we have some side reaches. Feet past shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward. We're going 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Keeping with our theme of arms overhead. We are reaching overhead, bringing our arm over to the side, really getting a stretch in our obliques. Boom, coming back to center, and going over the other side. Just like that. Feel the stretch. Also pull from your core. You're not doing this, right? We really wanna make sure we're being intentional and feeling where we want to target, right? So we're trying to get those obliques, get that nice stretch. What I've noticed is that when you are more stretched, your muscles are loose and relaxed, you're able to actually just do more. Because sometimes when you're too tense, you don't want to work out, you feel like too much in your head, too much in your body, but when you're loose, when you're moving, when you're stretching, when you're working on core, when you're sweating, having a good time, life just seems better. Well, that's just my opinion. All right, we are done there. Last, we have some leg raises. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We are hinging from hips. All we're doing is focusing on bringing our leg out in front of us. Try to get your toes to touch your shin. They won't, or hopefully they don't. But that just helps me to make sure I'm getting my leg as high as I can. We wanna focus on straight leg. So instead of focusing on height, just focus on keeping that leg as straight as you can and pulling from your hip, but you're basically pulling from your lower abs. So just like that. I feel like I've done this leg like 10 times already. Switch the other side, boom. We're just alternating. If you want, you can hold on to something. You can technically do this seated, but the goal is you're gonna feel it in your hips. You want our lower abs activated. 3, 2, 1, and down. And there you have it, that's your standing core workout. Set number 1 done. We got 2 more sets to go, so I'm gonna stop talking. Music's going up. We're gonna have some fun. Let's get to it right now. Reverse lunge with the twist. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done, one more to go. Come on, you have this, push yourselves. Just 4 exercises between you and the end of this standing workout. We got this.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
High knees, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches, 3, 2, 1, go. Leg raises, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your standing core workout. Hopefully you loved it as much as I did. I'm tired, but if you're not, then feel free to do this exercise all over again, or we have plenty of other workouts you can choose from: full body, core, upper body, seated, standing, down on the ground, whatever you want. We got it. We got a bunch of videos from Coach Mary, Coach Gabby, and Coach Greg. That is me. But I will see you in the next video, my friends. Stay strong, be safe, peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.